Yeah, but
we'll have a big problem.
it's a chicken or egg thing, right?
Yeah, yeah,
Is it
yeah.
chicken or
Well, guess who won that chicken or acting? The owners.
egg? Yeah. Yeah, it's a chicken or egg thing.
Fair use. ChatGPT is releasing a new agent. It doesn't have sound, by the way, but this is what it can do. Basically, it runs code, connects to your apps, slides and spreadsheets. There it is. It should, again, it searches for flights, searches for whatever you want. So it's quite versatile. You can do a lot of stuff with it. And it looks like it can probably do a lot of these things, man. The future, you probably won't need a human personal assistant for stuff like this.
So is this you can you already purchase it?
Probably it's new. Let me take a look real quick. Agent starts rolling out today to Pro Plus and Team users. Pro users will get access by the end of the day. That's 17th of July. Plus users and Team users will get access over the next few days. Enterprise and EDU users will get access the coming weeks.
So who has it?
Everyone, Pro Plus and Teams.
But everyone has it now.
Yes, by now everyone should have it. Enterprise will be the next upcoming weeks. I don't know if you have Enterprise, but so ChatGPT is a quite interesting system, to be honest, because I've been testing its boundaries right now, in the sense of I asked it to create a business plan and to do actually deep research, and I'm quite impressed, RJ.
Yeah,
Quite
the deep
interesting,
research.
the deep research part. If you don't ask it to do deep research, it will come with BS, to be honest. But you have to prompt it correctly. You have to give it the right prompt, and then it's doing the deep research. And by the way, just so you know, it's been taking days. So it's not like coming up with the research within a couple of seconds. It's creating an extensive business model. I told it you have a certain limit of pages, but you have to quantify, research, and also be meticulous about every line you put in that business plan. So you have to make sure that everything has data back, and it's taking a couple of days, and it put out a couple of segments as a sample, and I'm quite impressed, I have to say. The sample so far and the resources it's using, because I've also put it that he has to show the sources that he's using. Interesting, to say the least. The question is, of course, whether, I mean, every business is a risk, but whether we'll run the business based on this business plan, that's something I have to see. But it's at least something we can compare to with what we are working on.
I think that this is going very fast here.
Extremely.
And it's dangerous for those who do not understand. No, it's dangerous for those who cannot control it and use it to their advantage. Use it as an assistant. Unfortunately, too many people use it as their expert, and it should be an assistant that you have to control.
Yep. True.
But yeah, curious to see what will happen in the future.
Other things happening in the AI corner. 13 people have been hired by Meta. They're putting together a super team, and people are taking bank. People are getting offered NBA money. Alexander Wang, one of the current geniuses in AI right now. I think he's 27. Yeah, he's 27. He's gonna lead the team after they acquired his company for 49%. Skill AI, they bought it for 14.3 billion, or at least the minority stake. So he has, I don't know what's his percentage, but he's given up part of his company to basically be part of Meta, and he's actually a billionaire right now, working for another company, which is quite interesting. You have Trapit Bansal. He also pioneered reinforced learning on chain of thought reasoning and co-creator of OpenAI's O series models. He got offered a couple of millions as well. This guy right here, also from OpenAI, Huiwen Sheng, also from OpenAI, and also the Mask GIT creator, text to image for Google, Jilin, OpenAI. They basically took a lot of people from OpenAI and offered them a bunch of billions, millions of dollars. So yeah, it's but people don't realize that there is a AI war going on. It's a race. It's a race. The winner takes all kind of race. That's why they're investing this much. Because if you fall behind, you're done.
Yeah, so it's crazy, right, KaiR? Because first they collected the data, and now they applied AI to use the data.
Yep.
And a lot of people's jobs are going to be obsolete.
It will be. It will be. Yes. Let's take a look at final part, which is the robots that are taking over jobs. Here are a couple of them. We have the Waymo autonomous taxis are now serving about 200,000 paid rides per week in the United States. If you haven't noticed, also Tesla jumped into this segment. In Texas, they are running right now these tests. Texas is very lenient on these tech, so they can roll them out much easier than in other states or in other countries as well. You have robots that are used for packaging sorting. As you can see here, these robots will become increasingly more smarter throughout the year. So right now it's probably mainly backed on pre-programmed data, but it will of course improve, where it will become more problem solver. It says 95% scanning has been a success, so it's been able to do it correctly 95% of the time. You see it's turning it over, so it can be scanned. So again, this is gonna replace people, definitely. What else do you have? You have Amazon, the deployment warehouse bots. You have mobile robots operating in the parking lot.
Oh, that's crazy. That's crazy, man.
Picks it up, moves it. This is something they're working on in China. China is a bit ahead, but this is more robot. This is pre-programmed. This is not AI, but I mean, at the end,
you're gonna merge it. You're gonna merge the AI with robots.
Yes. So in the future, you might not even have to. Well, if you If where we're going is electric, chances are we don't have to charge it the way we're used to. We just put it maybe somewhere, or and a robot just connects it correctly, and you can just walk away and come back when you're done. This we covered already in the past. Robots that are cooking. Don't know if you recall, RJ. Back in the days, we covered the changes in. We said fast food changes in the. I said fast food. I didn't say fat.
You said fat food, man. You said fat.
I didn't say fast food. But
Yeah, you did. Guys, go check back what KR said. KR said fat.
I didn't say fat. I believe I didn't say fat food. Oh, anyway. So there you have
Your truth.
this. It's like Miss Bryant, you know. I believe in it. As long as you believe. So you have a robot that's trained to create the perfect dish. This is a robot. This is pre-programmed. This is not think. It doesn't think. It just adjusts based on the parameters that it's in. What else do we have? We have Boston Dynamics, the cameraman. You can send a robot to film the craziest scenes, maybe with wild animals, perfect balance. I mean, it's gonna continue to develop. Also, if you look at the amount of people, that are, I think, if you look at the let's call it the name they give it, reproduction rate, they'll at a certain point we'll have to have these robots doing all these jobs, because otherwise we'll have a big problem.
It's a chicken or egg thing, right?
Yeah. Well, guess who won that chicken or egg thing? The owners.
Yeah. Yeah, it's a chicken or egg thing.